Hello everybody, nice to meet you. Today I'm so happy to introduce our hot-styled model XFJ FDCH series. Let's focus on the product. You can see the luxury design with high-quality IND front case. Main color is silver. This place can print your logo. It will look very nice. There is a big digital LED display. It shows the working conditions and outlet temperature here. There are 4 touch keys: power on and power off, menu, increasing and decreasing, very easy operation. Inside have a top quality J-knot pattern cast aluminum heating element. The cold water comes from this inlet water pipe, and the hot water comes immediately within 5 seconds from this outlet water pipe. Let me show you how to use. Firstly, open the circuit breaker and open the water heater and set the temperature to 40 degrees. Then open the valve. You can see it on the display. The temperature is increasing gradually, and when the water temperature reaches to 40 degrees, it will be very stable here. And I can feel the hot water comes constantly, very comfortable and very nice shower experience. Okay, that's all. If you like this product, welcome to contact us.